Increasing click-through rates. What is CTR? Click-through rate can be defined as a percentage of people visiting a web page who access a hypertext link to a particular advertisement via your email. The main motive of your email marketing is to encourage customers to click on your links, which leads them to the final step of purchasing. The psychologists believe that people have triggering points which trigger them emotionally and force them to click. CTR equals clicks and impressions. Scarcity being one of them, if you convince your reader that this is the only time left for them to take action and they should do it now, they will click the link. Another is fear. If they are afraid and want to secure their life, the right kind of email will force them to click through. You can use gain or logic in your email. If you successfully convince your customer that your product would be very beneficial for them, then they will definitely click. Now, when you have convinced the customer, you need to put some fact in so that they can find a logical answer too, in order for them to purchase or click. How to improve CTR. Below is a list of strategies for improving your email click-through rates. 1. Numbered lists. 2. Ask questions. 3. Focus on buyer interests. 4. Use symbols to convey your message. 5. Be clever and smart. 6. Timing is everything. 7. Provide an effective call to action. 8. Use trigger words. 9. Be specific and to the point. And 10. Take massive advantage of preview text. Gain. How can I benefit from this link? This is the thought in your reader's mind for which should be answered by your email. Your email should guarantee either expressly or implied that they will gain from clicking the link given in it. Logic. People do buy based on the emotional instincts, but such purchase is justified with logic by them. Therefore, when you target people emotionally, you need to couple it with justification too, which may include statistics, numbers, and/or proven practical facts so that they are motivated to click. Fear. Fear factor needs to be used with great care. It promises more click-through rates than gain or logic when used correctly. A market surrounded in natural disasters or surrounded by life-threatening scenarios will respond immediately to such offers. Such offers provide peace of mind to people who are frightened of the unknown, just like the one offered to them by life insurance or retirement plans. Scarcity. Readers need to understand the resulting benefit from their click, and if they feel you are offering them something that is scarce and they have a limited time to respond, they will do so immediately, increasing your click-through rate.